Hello, I'm Kelly Smith, a state and local tax partner in Atlanta, and this is PwC's Tax Insights in Brief. Legislation has been sent to the governor in Tennessee that would repeal the property measure of the franchise tax, effective for tax years ending on or after January 1, 2024, meaning taxpayers are going to pay only on their apportioned net worth. The legislation will also authorize refund claims for taxpayers to the extent that the tax they paid under the property measure exceeded the net worth measure of the tax. Those claims would have to be filed on a form prescribed by the commissioner no later than November 30th of this year. So there's three things that viewers should know. First, taxpayers claiming refunds under the legislation must be careful to follow the procedures and use the form the department directs for refund claims. The department has already released preliminary guidance on its website that taxpayers should review before submitting any claims. I'll caution that taxpayers who do not conform to the prescribed methods could have their claims rejected on procedural grounds, and the November 30th deadline could make it impossible to cure a defective filing. Second, taxpayers who utilize credits against their franchise tax should be aware that a portion of their credits would be reinstated as part of any refund. This reinstatement of credits, coupled with the future repeal of the property measure of the tax, could cause taxpayers to need to reevaluate their ability to fully utilize their Tennessee credits in future years. And third, taxpayers should also be aware that the legislation directs the department to publish on its website the name of each taxpayer issued a refund and the applicable range corresponding to the total amount refunded. As I mentioned, the Department of Revenue has already posted information on its website on procedures for claiming refunds under the legislation. We can expect further guidance as issues arise during the refund claim window. Taxpayers should quantify the potential benefit of filing refund claims authorized by the legislation. This includes considering the complexities of determining the net worth measure of the franchise tax and whether adjustments should be made that could impact the refund calculations. Taxpayers should also understand that any further lawsuits challenging the constitutionality of the franchise tax need to be filed by November 30th of this year, and that to file such a suit, taxpayers would need to have filed a refund claim that was either denied or deemed denied by that date. For more details, please read the attached U.S. State Income Tax Digest and the linked insight on the Tennessee legislation. Thanks for watching, and this has been PwC's Tax Insights in Brief.